Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a common yet frustrating issue that many Samsung TV owners face, the blinking red light problem. If your Samsung TV is flashing that ominous red light and refusing to turn on, don't panic. Stick around, because we've got a comprehensive troubleshooting guide for you. Step 1. Understanding the blinking red light. Before we jump into the solutions, let's quickly understand why your Samsung TV might be flashing that red light. The blinking red light is often an indicator of a power-related issue or a malfunction in the TV's internal components. Step 2. Basic checks. The first step is to perform some basic checks. Ensure that the power cable is securely connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Try using a different power outlet and cable to rule out any potential issues with those components. Step 3. Unplug and reset. If the basic checks don't solve the problem, unplug the TV from the power source and wait for at least 10 minutes. This allows the TV to reset and may resolve any temporary glitches. Plug it back in and check if the blinking red light persists. Step 4. Check for software updates. Sometimes, outdated software can cause issues. Check if there are any available software updates for your Samsung TV. You can usually find this in the settings menu. Keeping your TV's software up to date can resolve compatibility issues that may lead to the blinking red light problem. Step 5. Test with a different source. Connect a different device, such as a DVD player or gaming console, to the TV. If the TV powers on with another source, the issue may be with the original input source or cable. Step 6. Inspect for physical damage. Visually inspect the TV for any physical damage, especially around the power button and ports. A damaged power button or internal component could be the culprit. Step 7. Factory reset. As a last resort, you can try factory reset. Keep in mind that this will erase all your settings and data. Refer to your TV's manual or Samsung support website for instructions on how to perform a factory reset. Conclusion. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on troubleshooting the blinking red light issue on your Samsung TV. If none of these solutions work, it might be time to contact Samsung customer support for further assistance. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.